Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Barricade Saber 5-inch aluminum side step bars with stainless steel cover plates fitting your 19 and newer Silverado 1500 crew cab. These are perfect for the Silverado owner who's looking to add the convenience of a step to their truck and is looking for a straight and also wide step that has a factory appearance. They provide a step for easy entry into your truck, especially if it's lifted or leveled like ours, and doubles as a bit of added side protection against door dings. These 5-inch wide step bars feature aluminum construction with stainless cover plates as well as black step pads. So as far as price goes, these come in on the lower end price-wise when compared to other step options. And for your money, you're getting a nice wide and straight step with an OE appearance that adds the convenience of a step to your truck. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It features direct bolt-up installation and can be done within 2 hours. So with that said, let's jump into our install. For this install, you will need a ratchet, a 13mm socket, and you may want a small extension. All right, so the first step in our install is we're gonna get these brackets installed on the truck. Now there is 4 brackets per side and they are identical, so grab 4 brackets and let's get these on. All right, we're starting at the very rearmost mounting point on the truck. We're gonna be looking for these threaded holes. They may have caps on them if you've not installed a step yet. Grab your bolt hardware with a washer and a lock washer and thread it in. We're gonna leave it loosely threaded for now till the step is bolted up, and then we will tighten it down. Repeat that with the next mounting point, which is going to be a little further on the frame, also threaded holes. Again, we're just going to install these loosely for now and tighten them down later. Repeat that process for the next 2 mounting points. All right, so we have the passenger side step ready to go on, and these are different, so make sure you're grabbing the proper one. The front part should be a little bit longer than the rear section here. We're gonna flip it over so I can show you guys how to install these bolts. These are the bolts with the square heads, and they slide into these channels here. There is an opening towards the front. So you're gonna slide 4 of these in each channel. Slide your bolts sort of in the ballpark of where they need to be to go to your brackets. You might have to do these individually because I do want to slide very easily. And then we're just going to slide them on top of the brackets and then install the hardware from underneath. So with each of the bolts resting in the brackets, you can now see there is a ton of adjustability to the step. So go ahead and line it up to right around where you think it should be, and we're gonna install the hardware from underneath. Once you're happy with the positioning of your step, you can install the hardware. Make sure you're using a lock washer, as well as a nut. Then using your 13mm socket, tighten these down. Repeat that for the rest of the mounting points on your step. Now you can tighten down the bolts holding your brackets to the truck. All right, so that is going to do it for the review and install of these step bars. And remember, for all things Silverado, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.